set up a living trust to help manage the assets of someone with dementia? Well, I can say that if this person has full-blown dementia, doesn't know who they are, what they have, or who is in their family, if they had no powers of attorney or anything like that, chances are you will not be able to set up a real trust for that person. Maybe you can seek guardianship in a court and seek to get them a management trust. And in that situation, their assets would go in that management trust. That management trust would be managed by a third party, who is usually a bank, and those assets would be managed for the interest of the person who is developing dementia or have cognitive decline. However, usually when I'm asked a question like that, it's not because anyone is trying to set up a management trust. It may be because there's somebody with a power of attorney and they want to know if they can do estate planning for their loved ones. Well, you're in the right place. My name is Megan Truick, and I'm the estate planning attorney director for the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where we help families like you all the time navigate these murky waters of estate planning when someone has dementia. So what do you do with a situation like that? Well, if there is a power of attorney and the power of attorney allows you to do estate planning, then by all means, you can do a special needs trust for this person who now has cognitive decline, and then you can have the assets within that trust, and then their assets help take care of them, and they don't have to worry about Medicaid wanting their assets to be depleted before Medicaid step in. Usually this planning has to take place within at least 5 years before they apply for Medicaid, so that there is no requirement that you spend the assets down before Medicaid will kick in. If there is a power of attorney that allows for you to create an estate plan, that's a great way to create the estate plan, as opposed to going to the court and seeking guardianship over the person that you already have a power of attorney for. However, if you yourself know that you'll probably develop dementia because your mother developed dementia and your grandma developed dementia and your great-grandma developed dementia, then now is the time when you should start planning. Now is the time when you should create that trust, that irrevocable trust. Make sure you designate your trustee. Make sure you have your powers of attorney ready to go, so that no one will need to seek guardianship over you, and you don't have to have that embarrassment of being hauled into court, so that everyone in the public will know what's going on with you. My name is Megan Truick, and I'm with the Law Office of Brian Fagan. If you want to watch more videos like this, go ahead. We have lots of videos, just a lot of information for people like you, so that you can know the ins and outs on how to really have an effective estate plan, an estate plan that works for you and your loved ones. Thank you.
Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.